this is Emma with OrderMaxx, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Proceed Warranty System token. This token works with Proceed software. When used on your site, it creates a public interface allowing users to register any product warranties online. Let's go ahead to this site's warranty page. The form can be accessed through this link. If the user is not logged in, they will be prompted to log in or create an account after clicking. I'm going to go ahead and log into a customer account we've set up. Once I've finished up, the page will redirect to this menu. The form automatically pulls account data to fill in the customer info. To fill out the warranty form, the customer has to select their item, their date of purchase, and enter the serial number. Once submitted, this information goes directly into the Proceed software. Let's take a look back at our warranty statement to see how we set up this page. We've dropped the token into the page behind this link. I'm going to quickly log back in as a site admin, and from there we'll continue to the page manager. Welcome back. Starting from the user dashboard, I'm heading into the basic system and the page manager. Our warranty token is located here. To add our token, all we had to do was head into this menu on the left and select our Proceed Warranty Module token. Once selected, the token is dropped into the page. This instantly builds the form we saw before. This is a great tool allowing you to add a new feature to your business's website. That about wraps up this video. Thank you for watching, and remember that if you'd like to learn more about this and our many other products, you can visit us online at OrderMaxx.com.